Thank you for watching this video on the Overhead Products YouTube channel. This video is intended for mechanical contractors installing Roberts Gordon CoRayVac specialty fuel heating systems. In this video, you will learn what to expect in your shipment from Overhead Products and what materials you will be responsible to provide. This short video will assist you as you prepare for a successful installation. When the shipment arrives from Overhead Products, please open the packing list where you will find a list of all equipment provided, along with a box number and contents of each box. You will also have a full-size conceptual drawing of the facility showing the heating equipment layout. This drawing is only conceptual and is a good idea to review this on site so you can determine if there is a clear path without obstruction for the equipment overhead as illustrated in the drawing. This Roberts Gordon CoRayVac SF heating system has been designed specifically for your location based on the size of the building, the heat loss, and the layout of the shop floor. The shipment will include all the equipment, parts, and hanging materials, which we will illustrate here. Let's now review the parts that make up the Roberts Gordon CoRayVac SF heating system. CoRayVac specialty fuel burners, cast iron combustion chambers, high efficiency reflectors, reflector hangers, reflector support package, joint pieces and end caps, in-vent package, vacuum pump package, vacuum flow proving switch, high temp pipe joint compound, CoRayVac system controller, programmable thermostat and guard. If your project requires side reflectors, you will receive side reflectors along with side reflector supports. If your project has a vacuum pump 201 series venting through the roof, you will receive a condensate valve assembly and condensate neutralization kit. Steel turnbuckle and spring hook. Eye bolts with 2 washers and 3 nuts. 1/4-inch chain. Zip screws for reflectors. Fresh air filter box kit with filter and screen cap. 4-inch takeoff for combustion air. 3 feet of 4-inch heavy-duty flex with 2 clamps. Sway bracing wire and sway wire clips, 2 per end. Heating system pressure switch box with pressure switches and pneumatic tubing. Items that will need to be provided by the installing contractor are Schedule 40 black steel pipe. Please note that Schedule 40 pipe is a requirement and no substitutions will be allowed. Gas pipe, T's, spiral ductwork, elbows, reducers, sealant for the ductwork, insulation for the ductwork, bridging unistrut for attachment to the ceiling or wall to suspend the system. All combustion air ductwork will also need to be supplied by the installing contractor. That's it for this video on receiving your shipment from Overhead Products. Please call or email so that we may answer any questions you may have regarding the equipment for your project. Thank you again for watching this video on the Overhead Products YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel for more informative videos on Roberts Gordon CoRayVac specialty fuel infrared heating systems.